another tutorial. Hope you guys are doing well, and today's video is all about pink lips. For the uninitiated, let me tell you, I own a ton of pink lipsticks, like boxes full of pink, hot pink lipsticks. But there's one particular product that inspired me to do this video, and that is none other than this is a phenomenal product. It's like hot pink in color and it's got glitter in it, and yet it is matte. So this lipstick was literally made for me. I mean, that's what I feel. And if you are willing to switch up your beauty routine and get out of your comfort zone, make heads turn, then this video is for you. Okay, so I've already prepped and primed my face, which is like the most basic thing to do before you start applying makeup. I'm going to start by creating a layer of illumination on my face. This is called the Bleach London Illuminati. Nice. Shake it really well. Let's move on to the base. For the concealer, I'm going to try the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I've heard pretty good reviews about it, that's why I just bought it, and let's try it. This base I'll be using. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. I love using powder foundations to set my base because it really locks your base and it gives you a very flawless look. I mean, you obviously need to use it if you're going to the party or an occasion, but definitely not for a regular look. I love Kat Von D products. They are how do I say it, really out of the box and dramatic. That's the right word. For the uninitiated, Kat Von D is an American-Mexican tattoo artist, an entrepreneur, a model, a television presenter, I mean all in one, and her products are so good. So if you haven't tried that brand, this is one brand that you must try it. You know, she is someone who's always spotted wearing like bold looks and very dramatic makeup looks. So I think that's why she comes up with all these funky dramatic stuff, which I love. Now let's quickly fill the brows. So I went to MINISO the other day, and there was an offer. If you shop for above say 5,000, you get so and so things free. So I got this brow creator palette along with many other things. So I mean, I've never tried any makeup product from MINISO, but since I got it free, I might as well just, you know, give it a shot and tell you guys how it is. Oh, it's not coming out. I'm gonna take a spoolie brush and I will just go all over the wax. Brown powder. With such a bold and a bright lip color, make sure that you go a little easy on your eyes. I mean, you just want your lips to pop. So we're gonna keep our eye makeup really subtle. Hence, I chose the Huda Beauty's nude palette. It's got some nice, very subtle shades. Deepen my socket, nothing else. You know, lately I have been obsessed with duochrome eyeshadows. I've just been going crazy looking for some duochrome on the internet, or if I go to the mall, I just go nuts. So this is kind of a duochrome effect, which I love, 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 love. I'll use the jumbo eye pencil. This is the NYX jumbo eye pencil. I'm just gonna highlight my eyebrow ridges. It's got a nice highlight to it. Nice and intense. It's got a bit of fallouts. The Huda Beauty glitter eyeshadows, they have a bit of fallout, so just dust it away. I'm just gonna make a tiny wing. That's about it. And then take any black eyeshadow on an angular brush, and we are just going to line our eyes with that. More like a, you know, diffuse look. Time for my lipstick. Yes, I've been so excited to film this. I just got my parcel from America, and this was one of them, and I was so excited. You know, whenever I want to make heads turn, I want to give that pop of color, I normally gravitate towards hot pink shades. Okay, so I'm gonna start with lining my lips, and I'm gonna be using Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lip Pencil in the shade 512. And now finally it's time for the blush on. I'm going to go on the same lines. I'm going to keep it really subtle. Oh my god, by the end of the video my hair gets very disheveled. Nice and light. Okay, this is it. So guys, this is my final look. Hope you guys love this look as much as I did. Please let me know what you guys think about it. Is this a trend that y'all are willing to embrace, or is this look too out there for you? Well, for me, I would just say that I have that insatiable desire to keep wearing pink, to keep holding pink, so I will always love this look. And if you've already tried this look and if you have any recommendations, don't forget to comment and let me know. And if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do ring the notification bell, so the moment I upload a video, you are the first one to know. And if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I will be back very soon to delight you, to entertain you. Till then, lots of love and take very good care of yourself.